Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this useful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to save grouped images as a simple picture in Word quickly and professionally. This is perfect for creating thumbnails, posters, logos, social media graphics, certificate and custom document design. If you have multiple images, shapes, icons or text grouped together and want to export them on one image file, this tutorial will show you the easiest method. So let's get started. At first I have to open a document, go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now I am select multiple picture from my file. Then go to the format menu, click wrap text drop down menu and make it in front of text and resize them. Then make the same process to another. Now I am move it side by side. Now here are three images. Now I am select that, press and hold shift on our keyboard to multiple image. Go to the format menu, click make it grouped. Then click right button and save as the image as a JPG, but here not available this. You can ungroup them and try again. Here not available this. Now I want to make it save on JPG image. At first zoom out this and find the sniping tool on your computer, otherwise you can use the light shot. Then make the screenshot this, then save JPG on your PC, then check it. Now we can see we save image as a JPG very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.